Hello world. In this class, we will draw a cursor. If you get DC or get Windows DC, you can't draw a cursor. Why? Because the cursor isn't drawn by HTC. Now let's go. Let's edit. Draw cursor. Can you see a cursor? Yeah, I can. It's bottom left. Bottom left. An arrow cursor. How can you draw it? Let's go. Wild ONC64I draw cursor. HWND space HWND equals chart window from point EX semicolon. This function is override by ourselves. Semicolon. HWND equals chart window from point EX semicolon. ONC period GH cursor equals H cursor number if underline MSC underline VER letter (1600) colon get class name HWND comma GCL underline H cursor semicolon. Number else colon get window long PTRA get window long PTRA HWND comma GCLP underline H cursor semicolon number and if this function can be compiled by Visual Studio 2020. by far we can get cursor by calling get window long x. If ONC period GH cursor equal no, that means we can't get any cursor, so we appoint the cursor to default cursor. If ONC period GH cursor equal no, ONC period GH cursor equals get cursor semicolon. Usually, get cursor can return an error type cursor. Point pt semicolon. We announce a structure pt, structure point pt semicolon. colon get cursor pose ampersand pt semicolon. Each WND equal colon get foreground window semicolon. The window has focus. This function we have used several times, so you can paste and edit. Send colon screen to client HWND comma ampersand pt semicolon LP2DP screen to client HWND comma ampersand pt semicolon. Colon draw icon. This function is the first time for us to use. Colon draw icon HDC comma pt period x comma pt period y comma h icon ONC period gh cursor semicolon. We change cursor to icon, then call the function draw icon. Let's call this function. You can find the keyword src and above there add the function calling draw cursor hdc lb semicolon. You can search the keyword src draw cursor hdc clb semicolon. Draw cursor hdc clb semicolon. Now let's run. It's Win32 version. It's not paid. We can see a cursor is drawn here. It's x64 version. A cursor drawn there. You know, we use draw cursor, draw icon to draw cursor. If you have the cursor, you can draw it easily, but it's difficult for us to get a cursor. Sometimes we couldn't get any cursor. Oh my god. It's difficult for us to get cursor. How can we do? Ladies and gentlemen, see you later.